It's day 3 of 23 days of Ariana. Let's just get right into this lit banger, this lit video.
About to catch another fight. Apple bottom make him wanna bite. I just wanna have a good night. I just wanna have a good night. Hold up, if you don't know.
What is up, AM family? What is up, AM family? It's your girl Ariana Mache, back with another video, back with another banger, back with another vloggy vlog. So before I get the video started, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn post notifications so you may get notified when I post another video. Follow us on social media, it'll be on screen and in the description box down below. So today I am going to be doing an Amazon headband wig review. So yeah, let's just hop right into it. Okay, so here I took out the Amazon back packet. So here's the wig. It's a curly headband wig. It's 26 inches. So yeah, you take a thumbnail real quick with the packet. Hold on, y'all. Okay, so y'all got a glimpse of me doing the thumbnail. But anyway, so yeah, let's open it. So, take it out. So it has a stocking cap. And some cute, oh my god, these are pretty and cute headbands. So here's the wig. So yeah, I'm gonna take my head off and everything and try it on. I'm not gonna leave y'all high and dry like that. So this the wig. It was had the stocking on. It has the paper in it. So yeah, this the headband part. So yeah. So yeah. So yeah, it's so cute, right? Yes. This the type of hair I'm getting for my birthday. Y'all know it. Y'all know. Okay, so let me take my head off. I already have on a stocking cap or whatever. Cause this one is getting raggedy. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It's not good. It's not tangled up. So yeah, let me see. Let me fix it up for y'all. And it's working. But anyway, I'll link the wig in the description box down below if y'all want to buy it. Inexpensive wig. It was very inexpensive. Very inexpensive. So okay, so here it is. Let's see. Cause I'm taking it right back off because I ain't leaving it on because I'm not going nowhere. I just put it on for a video. So let's see. Like what, y'all? It's so cute. Stop playing with your girl. Like, don't play with it. Don't play with it. This is so cute. This is so cute. Who that be? Who that girl? Yep. So cute. So cute. So yeah, I love it. 10 out of 10. Go shop this wig. Link in the description box. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I ain't finna do nothing to it. Like I said, I'm finna take it. I'm finna take it right back off. Put it on my mannequin head. And yeah, and edit this video. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And also turn your post notifications to make it notified when I post another video. Follow my social media. It'll be on screen. Oh my god. It'll be on the screen in the description box down below. Remember, I love you, love yourself, love that day. It's your girl Ariana Michelle. Bless is love, bless. I'm out. And I see y'all in day 4 of 23 days of Ariana.